Hello and welcome to the Forex Trading for a Good Living tips video. We're going to look at drawing trend lines on metatrader 4. And I figured to make this video because it actually took me a while to figure out a few things on these sorry charts that how to do a few things with drawing trend lines. I hate meta charts. It's very difficult to be MetaTrader charts. It's very difficult to be accurate, and I hope someone from MetaTrader 4 listens to this video. Maybe I should go, put a comment in there. But I know it's free, so I shouldn't complain that much. But if it throws off a trade, that's very bad. Okay? And if it throws off your trading, it's very bad, and you miss opportunities because because the trend line is not accurate. The charts are not lining up well, and this is too bad. Now, but anyways, that's why I mentioned that, because I think that I definitely think you should have another charting option. My favorite charts currently are Q charts, okay? And no, I'm not affiliated with them. I just like the charts. So, anyways, anyone from Q charts, if anyone gets the Q charts because of this video, you can do something for me. Okay, send me a coffee mug. Okay. Anyways, let's look at this chart. Let's draw some trend lines. Okay. Now, a couple things. For the purposes of this video, we're gonna go to Properties and take it off Auto Scroll. Now, Auto Scroll is good if you are, if you have an automated trading system and it's just going forward, or if you're just trading the charts and you want to see the most recent price action, because it will move the chart over this way to see the current prices. Okay, we're going to take it off for this video. So, alright, so we can move this thing around, okay? And there's a little button up here, okay? Let's move this down. Okay, you notice if you hit this right here, it'll scroll back and forth from the very edge to the middle, okay? And I like it out a little here, okay? So anyways, drawing trend lines. Let me give you one tip right here. Okay, took me a while to figure. Now, if you have a mess of trend lines already on the chart, you can do two things. One, you can go to the objects list and you can just one by one delete them. Okay? Okay? Delete. Okay? So now, okay. Oh no, I just deleted my text. I didn't want to delete. Anyways, it's gone. So it's not what you check off, it's what you highlight, okay? See, there goes that trend line, and it's what you highlight. That's what I learned over time. Okay. Usually, when I first started using the MetaTrader charts, I just left the mess on the chart. Okay. So, anyways, now we've advanced. Of course, you can say, well, didn't you read the manual? Well, didn't you read the manual? Okay, right. So you're watching this video. So here's another way of, okay, you drew a trend line and it got messed up, okay? Or is this something you just don't want? What you do is you double click on it, okay? Now, what you can do is you need to grab a hold of one of these little balls there, and you can move the trend line around. Okay, nice. Okay, now what MetaTrader needs to have, okay, they need to have trend lines that are regular trend lines, not rays. These are called rays that extend on forever. What a nuisance! It just screws up everything else out in the future. Anyways, unless of course there are times when you do actually want a ray to show you the trend line in the future, but on the short-term trend basis, you don't want that. It creates a mess. So anyways, unless there's some hidden regular trend line drawing on here, I have not found it, but here's how you deal with the mess. when you can alter the trend line, okay, move it around, okay, or if you don't want it, just after you selected it, by double clicking on it, hit the delete and it's gone. Very nice, very nice. Okay, let me show you something else. Okay, we're going to draw this bottom to this bottom. Okay, now you see what happened? MetaTrader adjusted this trend line up in here, which I don't want. Okay, I don't want their exact. Okay, here, I'll do it again. Watch this. Try to be exact here. And it adjusted it again, which, you know, isn't terrible. It's done worse for adjusting. Okay, let me see if I can get a lesser example. Okay, so it adjusted. Let's look where it. Okay, so it in this case it attached it to the bottom here. So, but I want an exact attachment here. Okay, so let me shrink that back up. And here's my point. I'm trying to get an exact trend line, because when you are using trend lines for trading, you need to be very exact. The market obeys exactness. Okay, or the parameters off of the trend line. If the trend line fails to your method, it needs to fail off an exact trend line, so you know exactly what's going on. Okay, so that happened to line up well. My point is this: if you want to line up tops and bottoms exactly, okay, don't stop short here. Okay, what you want to do is that you want to extend. Let's say you want to accurately connect this point to this point. Okay, you want to extend past that point, and then MetaTrader will lay the chart just how you drop it. Okay, okay, good. So that's a pretty much perfectly drawn trend line. Oh, not anymore. So my point again is that you want to connect the top, you take it from the top, and you want to extend past. Otherwise, see, MetaTrader's flipping it around. You want to extend past for it to sit and right where you want it, not in a MetaTrader groove. Okay, there, perfect. Okay, now we have an accurate trend line. And for those of you who are experienced at trading trend line systems, you understand what I'm talking about right now. You understand that it is critical that you have an accurately drawn trend line, because the entire parameters change if your trend lines are not drawn accurately. And if that changes, then you know you're gonna enter trades incorrectly, and that can cost you a lot of money based on your, you know, if you have a trading pattern with a high probability setup, you know, acting in your trend lines are off, and you're trading according to trend line, then it's the whole trade's off. You're gonna misenter, you're gonna misinterpret, and you're gonna misreact, and that usually causes loss. Sometimes you get lucky, but who wants that kind of luck? You want purposeful money making from trading. You don't want luck. Luck gets you dumb in trading. Okay? You don't want the luck. You want purposeful money making, purposeful stalking of your opportunity in terms of, you know, like wild animal hunters, like a lion or something. You know, I don't know if you ever heard of that example. And those types of examples are used because something fierce and tough is used, because, you know, it takes that toughness to overcome your emotions. But anyways, once you look up here and join our newsletter, come to the site. It's free for now. Just sign up and we'll help you accelerate your Forex trading success.